What do you think is the toughest part in creating a business?
So probably the toughest part is understanding the market, right? Because you you need to know your 1 mile square radius, your 5 mile square radius, and your 20 mile square radius. That's just in that area. Then you need to understand your social media reach, your internet reach, right? Because there's competition that is strictly online that you got to factor in and calculate for. So what we call that is the Amazon effect. You have to factor in the Amazon effect because everybody might support you, but they're gonna look at Amazon first. Hey, can I get this, tripod, or can I get this hat on Amazon before I come into your small business and buy it from you?
Yeah, that's very true. But we see that model all the time. We see somebody be like, well, I'm trying to figure out a way to undercut you.
And it's tough, because you're gonna undercut yourself out of profits, and now you just working for free.
What made you choose to help? What made you choose to help people create businesses?
So being an educator, well, once I got into education and started teaching, I realized that I was a natural coach. All right, and I had even coached during college. After playing ball, I started coaching a little bit in the summer leagues and different little, open runs. And I realized, okay, I have an effective communication method, right? So how am I using that? And so when I got on as a teacher some 18 plus years ago, I realized that, my gift is to help. My gift is to teach. My gift is to give back. And, the game is to be sold, not told. But at the same time, I'm going to give a little bit away. I'm going to sell a little bit away. And doing that, I've created my niche. And that's why I love what I do. There's passion behind it.